Hey everyone, another video here. Received this today in the post, ordered from eBay, so thought I'd do one of these opening videos and see how it goes. I know what it is. It's a U-Haul steel padlock from America, which I saw on eBay, laminated. Apparently this is the world's finest laminated steel padlock, resistant to hammering, severe pounding and even drilling. U-Haul creates the finest laminated steel padlocks by combining specialist grey steel. Well, it sounds exciting. Yada, corrosion, steel padlock, trailers at home, hardened steel shackle, Yale keyway, 5 pins, very hard to pick. So let's see if it really is very hard to pick. It's fairly easy to get into. Inside. So that's the beastie. Does look like a Yale keyway. Nice U-Haul written on it. Key retain for a minute, isn't? There we go. So 50mm. I'm going to try. Let's have a go trying to pick it. So let's put it there. Just move the camera down a bit. There we go. Right. Bear with, as they say, while I just have a go at it. For the first thing I do is find the correct turning tool. For a turning, I find the best method is to have a turning tool that fits. Oh, too big. Let's try this one. Oh, that seems to work quite well. And get the right pick. Let's give this the Tron a go. So it's 5 pin. Let's put a bit of tension on it all the way to the back. Wow. Yeah. That was what is it they said on the card? Very hard to pick. I beg to differ. Obviously it must be an old lock, but I'm hoping the U-Haul, if they're still going in America, have got slightly better locks than these. Because that was, well, I was very surprised. Still, it's a nice solid piece of kit. Wow. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I was expecting something a bit more, you know, wodgy. Anyway, take care, and I'll see you guys later.